Natalie Berth here, working on a mini profile review or profile mini review for Alyssa, who is an editor and a writer. And she also is, I love this, esteemed ceramicist. Uh, what I would like to say, as you'll hear me say this again on all of this stuff, the picture, we want the not the whole half body, we want just the smiley, beautiful smiley face. And this is a really cool picture, but and you can use that as a background, but we really need to bring forward something about either, so backtrack. Reviewing her profile, she is either she has both owned her own business and she's worked for other people. So she's done both of these things, but this is her area of expertise. So this needs to be a declarative statement about either if she wants to continue doing her, working for herself, what her people, like her ICA, would experience as a transformation, or what she brings to the table. So we want to bring that up here. I noticed that she has this, which is her slash content. What I would put here instead is check my portfolio or look here, my portfolio, right? Something other than a URL, because that doesn't tell us anything, and bring that to the portfolio. The other thing is on her featured section, uh, she has just this one thing, which is a post that she did. You can actually put different sections, right? Different pieces. And so I would add the different, so some of the stuff she has is this is her website, her designs, her content portfolio, and so on. So she can have that, reach out to me, what you're looking for, who your ideal client is, that kind of information. And then if I scroll further down, and of course, we know my philosophy, but I'll say it again, create a business page, even if the thing is closed. We want to avoid the dreaded gray box and stuff. Um, is that the skills we want to make sure that are the most important skills that are right up at the top, not something that is not being used very often. And then also it looks like she's had a bunch of stuff published or that she's worked on, and add the published section and make sure that information is in there, and add project section for projects that she's worked on. We want to make sure to use all of the sections that she can use. She can also use and should be using, she has LinkedIn Premium, the services section to talk about the services that she offers, unless she's working, looking for a job. Um, and that goes up. Okay, thank you to Alyssa for allowing me to review her profile. And it's not complete, but it's a start. Thanks.